the other day, the topic of Israel and Gaza came up, and I mentioned to a friend that there's actually a passage in the Bible, in the book of Zacharias, that speaks about God using Israel to raise Gaza to the ground and burn it up, and to have no inhabitant remaining. I am paraphrasing. It's not worded exactly like that. But the point I would like to make here is that we consider, I speak in terms of we, in terms of a large segment of humanity considers the Bible a holy book. And in this book, God is actually the one declaring war on Gaza. And to me that is despicable. But our problem is, as someone else once mentioned to me, is that as human beings, we were inserted with a worship gene, which is a flaw in our humanity. And this worship gene will cause us to bleed our energy, devotion, and focus to a God, even though this God is completely immoral. There is no reason why a holy book should speak in terms of eradicating Gaza. There's a problem within humanity. It is time that we stop giving our power away to God and all the other sons or deities called gods. It is time that we eradicate this worship gene, this need to worship. Because when we say no to God, we will have the strength to say no to war and all the other immoral ways of being. This worship gene prevents us to stand up for what is right. Because if God doesn't know what is right and what is moral, we desperately need a new compass. And we need to rise up and say to this God no more. We need to stand up for what is right when we see that God is doing wrong.